Your roof is trying to tell you something important, but are you listening? Most homeowners wait until water is dripping into their living room before realizing they need roof repair in Aurora, Colorado. By then, a simple fix has become a major expense. The most obvious sign is water stains on your ceiling or walls. Those brown patches aren't just cosmetic. They mean your roof's protective barrier is compromised. Water is soaking your insulation and rotting your framing. Walk around your home and look up. Missing shingles are obvious, but cracked or curling shingles are equally serious. Colorado's intense sun and temperature swings accelerate aging, exposing everything underneath to weather damage. Here's a hidden warning most people miss. Check your gutters after rain. Excessive granules from your shingles mean your roof is wearing out faster than normal. Stand back and look at your roof line. It should appear straight and even. Any sagging indicates structural problems that need immediate attention. These issues only get worse and more expensive. Living here means facing Colorado's toughest weather. We're in Hail Alley, where storms drop golf ball-sized hail with little warning. Even smaller hail creates damage that grows over time. Colorado's freeze-thaw cycles are particularly hard on roofing. Water seeps into cracks, then expands when frozen, making problems bigger with every temperature swing. The difference between minor repair and major replacement comes down to timing. A small leak costing hundreds can quickly become thousands in structural damage. Don't wait for emergency roof repair in Arapahoe County to become your only option. So reach out to us today to get started. With Columbine Roofing and Solar, you'll get a great experience and reliable roof repair results.